anti-aging foods to fit into your diet. These anti-aging foods will help you eat your way to a longer life expectancy. Add these delicious foods into your daily diet and you will be decreasing your risk for illnesses and age-related problems. Just pick 1 or 2 to add in each week. Let's begin. Walnuts. Walnuts are the perfect snack for anti-aging. They give you protein and omega-3s in a safe, convenient form. Eat a handful every day. Walnuts are a great anti-aging food because of the amount of omega-3s in just a handful. These omega-3 fatty acids are real longevity tools. They prevent dementia and keep your brain young while fighting off heart disease by improving your cholesterol. Make walnuts part of your day and every day. It will improve your skin. Avocados. Avocados have to be one of the most delicious foods out there. Mix up a little guacamole or slice a few up on your salad for an anti-aging treatment. Avocados are one of the best foods around for anti-aging and longevity. Why? First of all, they are delicious, but more importantly, avocados are filled with healthy fats and other nutrients to help your body live longer and work better. Water. Our bodies need water to fight off aging and damage. Drink lots of water every day to keep your body functioning well. Water is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There are many claims that water can be healthy and even detox your body. However, it seems obvious that drinking lots of water is a blessing for your skin, even if it is only because you are not drinking other sugary beverages. Chocolate. The fact that chocolate has anti-aging properties is proof that the universe is a kind and loving place. Eat chocolate, not too much, for anti-aging benefits. Recent research shows that eating moderate amounts of dark chocolate also brings health benefits to your heart. The antioxidants in dark chocolate protect your heart against aging and damage to your skin. Red wine. So it's a piece of good news. Red wine has properties to make you younger. Just a glass or 2 a day has amazing anti-aging benefits. Red wine has been reported to have a multitude of health benefits. Over 400 scientific studies support some benefits to red wine. Studies giving mice incredible amounts of some of the components of red wine show tremendous benefits in protecting against unhealthy eating habits. Green tea. Green tea is an ancient drink for good health and longevity. The antioxidant benefits of daily consumption of green tea are well known. A little drink of green tea a couple of times a day could do wonders for your skin and body. Switching green tea for sodas in the afternoon would have multiple benefits. Salmon. The fish is one of the best ways to get healthy omega-3 fats in your diet. Omega-3s, especially from fish, may keep skin cancer cells from growing and spreading. Aim for at least 2 to 3 ounce servings of fish each week. Enjoy it grilled with a whole grain side dish like brown rice or barley salad. Grapes. Resveratrol, which comes from the skin of grapes, counters inflammation. Many people think it slows the aging process. Plus, it may fight the effects of UV light and sun damage. But don't forget, you still need to use your sunscreen. Oranges. These are loaded with water, so they hydrate your skin and your cells. See, it says. One large orange is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps make collagen, and that in turn helps keep your skin supple. In general, vegetables and fruits are great for your skin. Melons. Melons are delicious. They are also a great source of wide range of vitamins. Eat a different kind of melon every week for excellent health benefits. Melons are a delicious source of vitamins and other nutrients which could do wonders for your skin and body. Add melons to your daily foods for a big healthy boost to your diet. If you liked the video, then please hit thumbs up and subscribe.